Sunny day, windy day. Here with this one. Some shade. Got some towels that have the Canadian flag on them, which my friend Mark gave me from Canada. Thank you, sir. But yeah, it's a really windy day. Waves are strong too, but very blustery. Water still looks nice. I'm going for a dip a little bit later. Right past the Kimpton, where we usually go. Very nice day. So I just finished some lunch, opened a cold one. But yeah, it's a very windy day, not kind of cloudy. But past few days it's been rough seas. Now this, sorry guys, I'm seaweed washed up on the beach. See how the water is. Woo, actually pretty chilly. I see a few people on a Sunday. We chose not to go to Governor's because Governor's Beach is always very busy on a Sunday. So we came to a more seclusive, just past Kimpton. Nice little beach area. Very nice indeed. Yeah, gonna enjoy the day. Are you looking at your pictures, babe? Do you like them?
No.
No? Big waves, huh, babe?
Yeah.
I'll go over here?
No.
Let's a little walk. Yes. Let's go this way. Wait.
This wind is like...
My hat is gonna blow off. Hi.
Is it choking you?
No, not yet. Wow. Oh yeah. Ah. Lovely day. Ooh, cold. I'm not sure if I have the guts to get in this water. It's a little chilly today. But beautiful day, guys. Beautiful day. People enjoying the beach, the playa. There's a good little current coming in here. Cheers. The water is actually super chilly today. Everybody must ask me, it's cold there now? Well, January is the coldest time of the month to be here. It's got these breezes coming in today. Yeah, it's a good breeze, big waves. But yeah, the temperatures do get to like low 80s, kind of mid 70s at night. So it's a little bit chillier. But you know, enjoying it for the most part. Today's a nice day, a little breeze. I love doing a TikTok video. Some people on the beach, which is nice. Tourism number is still quite low, unfortunately. But hopefully those numbers will continue to go up. But yeah, it's January. Lovely time out to be here in Cayman. Hopefully see you soon. because it is less people here, more exclusive. And my love, say hi, babe. Yeah, it's very nice, you know, less people here. We always found it very nice. There's a little reefier, nice little waterfront area. Although right now it's getting kind of cloudy and the wind is still very strong, and you see the waves are very strong. But hopefully you're having a lovely weekend. Hopefully you're staying safe, not too cold where you're walking from. Hopefully you can come down the south soon. But another beautiful day. The only downside of this beach is these little kind of thistles. These sharp little prickly things on the sand. So you gotta be real careful when you're walking around this beach, because they do get in your feet and they are very painful. Let me see if I can find one around here. Yeah, they're in the sand. You gotta be very careful. But yeah, you find them also more down there, but you get some here on the sand, and if you do stuff on one, we got little thorns and it's very, very painful. So my one tip if you're here, just be careful of that, because there are these little thistles, these plant-based things, very small. They grow primarily further down there, but sometimes you can find them on the sand here. Oh, and the sun's coming out, which is lovely. Finally. It's a little cloudy. I'm sure I should try and go in the water. It's pretty cold. I'm becoming a little bit of a wuss. A party over there. You can see some clouds in town. I actually saw some kite surfers down by Governor's Beach because it's a little bit windy. A little windy and wavy for 7 Mile Beach area, but still quite nice. Gotta enjoy it. Beautiful sand. Carmendita in the background. Where is she? Where is she? Okay, babe.
Oh my god.
Wow. I knew it was going to happen, babe. I knew it.
Yeah, but it was like a long time for it to happen.
Oy.
It stood there for a while.
The umbrella flew off. Oy. Holy thing. It's pretty windy. I thought the umbrella would fall off a long time ago. Eventually it did. Oi! So your man has decided to go in the water for a little dip. Quick dip in and out. Oi! It's actually quite cold. But compared to Canada, the waters and lakes and oceans, this is a breeze. But for me, I'm climatized, so hey. Ah, there's an airplane. Hola, babe. Hola. Oi. Oi. That's how we do it. Whew. Nice and refreshing. Whew. Whew. When we get out, it's windy, cold. Ooh. Huh? Yeah, it's cold. It's muy frío, babe. Muy frío.
Very, 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 very cold.
Yes, babe.
Like, I don't want to go.
You're with me. Love you. So, folks, the sun is setting. The after goes down those clouds. You don't see it again. It's been a beautiful, windy, kind of cloudy, wavy day. Some sun. There's my love. Have a good time, no, babe?
Yay!
Our umbrella flew out like a few months ago. That was pretty interesting. Got our nice towels, but so far it's been a lovely day. All right, guys. Catch you later. Stay safe. See you in the next video. All the best.